Good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss another important aspect of group theory, that is group multiplication table. So, we are going to start with group multiplication table. So, the name itself suggests that this is a table. Any symmetry operation which is actually a part of a group, so that can be well expressed by a multiplication table. So any finite group can be well explained by a table. A table means that would comprise of few rows and the columns, as well as in that table the interrelationship of the symmetry operations would be retained, not only retained, would be reflected. So let us start with the simple group that is of the order 2. Now, of course, all of us know that group doesn't mean that it would comprise only with the symmetry operations or the symmetry elements, but we are going to confine our discussion on the symmetry operations only due to as we are studying this multiplication table as a part of the group symmetry. Now, when it is a group of order 2, all of us know that as the rules of the groups tells us, there has to be an identity element E and let there be another element A. So, if I draw a simpler table, this is going to comprise with. So this is doing nothing operation or the identity element which actually commutes with every individual element of the group, and this is another element. So A. Now when we are doing nothing operation, so obviously the row should be EA and this is the column should be E. The rule of this group multiplication table is none of the element in the row or in any column would be repeated. Now it means when I'm doing nothing operation followed by doing nothing operation, this is going to give me doing nothing operation. Or identity element being multiplied by the identity element is going to give me the identity element. We must remember multiplication here means combination. Multiplied means the combined product. The product means the combined result after the result that we are getting after the combination. Here A element when multiplied by the doing nothing operation or the identity element, this is going to give me A. Obviously, when identity element similarly being multiplied by A is going to give me A. That means when I am operating, doing nothing operation on the compound followed by the A, I am going to get A. Similarly, A multiplied by A has to give me E because there is no other option other than E because in the row no element would be repeated, in the column as well no element would be repeated. So there is already A is there, so E should be there. Now let us start with the another group, that is order 3. Now in order 3, we are going to have 3 elements, that is E, A and B. So we are going to have 3 elements E, A and B. Let us try to draw our group multiplication table. E, A, B, E, A, B. So here, of course, as I know identity element being multiplied by any other element is going to give me the same thing. So here I can peacefully write in the column EAB. Similar in the row, when identity element is being multiplied by A and B, is going to give me A and B. Now we have to complete this one. These four elements. Okay, when A is multiplied by A can give me B or can give me E. Let us consider it is giving me E. If that is so, AA combination can give us E or AA combination can give us B. Let us consider that AA combination is giving us E. Then the next one in this particular row should be my B, because in the row already A and E has R. But if that is the case, then in the same column B is being repeated. So this cannot be the case. So I have to take AA equal to B. Then obviously here E should be here. Similarly, if A and B is here, I have no other choice putting it over E, and then it should be A. What does it mean? It means, look here, A, B is E, and then A is B. So I can see, say there are in the group there is the identity element E, A and B, but B is here. What is B? B here is nothing but A into A. So this is A into A. That means A square. So that means on the other hand E. What is E? What is E? E is B into A. So we can see B into A. In place of B, we can write A and then A. So that is AQ. So I can write that this particular group is actually A square, and then AQ. So that means all the element of the particular group, that is this is E, this is B, this is A, can be generated from the same element A. So this is a cyclic group.